Hello Bliss Beauties and Babes, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup look using the Pure Crystal Clear makeup book. If you enjoy this type of video on my channel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Today we're going to get started with a bare face and eyebrows on, and of course a headband to pull your hair back. I just made this sparkly Disney inspired headband and it is so cute. If you want to see how I prepped my skin before this makeup look, make sure to click the link down below and you can check out my latest skincare routine. To start off, I wanted to show you the star of the show, which is this Pure Crystal Clear makeup palette. Currently, it is still on Ulta's website. And if it's still there, you guys run and get it and put this in your makeup collection. This is part of Pure's holiday makeup collection. It's great quality makeup. You get a variety of products at a very affordable price, and as well, if it's on sale, get it before it's gone. The palette has matte, shimmer, metallic, and pressed glitter eyeshadows, as well as bronzers, highlighters, blushes, contour, and even a setting powder. If you want to see swatches, make sure you click the link down below and check out my Instagram. To start off, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild eye primer and blend that all over my eyelids. I'm going to start by canceling out some of the redness on my eyes with these two neutral shades. I like to put that in the crease and all over the eyelid. Next, I'm going to dip into that coral color and blend that in the crease, blend it up, and also on my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take this deeper berry shade and put that in the crease, and really trying to focus that color on the outer edge. Next, I wanted to take some of the yellowy orange shade and blend that out, just to give the look a little bit more vibrancy. After that, I went into an even deeper shade and blended that as well in the outer corners. After all that blending, I dipped my finger into the glitter shade. I really liked that it was nice and soft. It wasn't like a scratchy glitter. I haven't worked with a lot of glitter pigments, but I know a lot of brands are coming out with the pressed glitters in their makeup palettes, so I think it's time that I pick up some glitter glue. If you have any recommendations, leave me a comment down below. Here I went on top of the glitter and just added more of the dark shade and went again back and added some more glitter and cleaned up as much as I could of the loose glitter. I went ahead and did my face off camera, but I wanted to still show you what I used. This is the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. On top of that, I used the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Foundation in the shade 120, and I used the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand. I absolutely love that combination right now. To set my face and my under eyes, I'm using the Airspun Translucent Powder. Less is definitely more with this product, especially if you have dry under eyes like me. I recommend only doing a little amount to set your concealer, and of course always using an under eye cream. Here I'm dipping into that medium contour shade. I used the deeper shade before and it was really dark for me, so maybe in the summer it'll be a good shade for me, but not right now. I like to contour my cheeks so they don't look so round, and as well my jawline. Then I'm going to set all those powders with the Physicians Formula Rose All Day Setting Spray. I absolutely love this setting spray right now. Back to the Pure makeup book, I'm using this shade that looks like an eyeshadow, but I've been using it as a blush and I really like it. I mixed it with another pinky blush in the palette and it gave me the beautifulest blush color, and it's been my go-to blush combo. Next, I'm going to dip into this highlighter. I did want to mention that the highlighters, to me, are a very natural looking highlighter. Some people love that, some people don't like that. I personally like it. I like to have a variety of different types of highlighters, so I appreciate that they put in more natural looking ones in here. Moving on to my favorite lip products right now. These are the Physicians Formula Lip Butters. I found this kit during the holidays as a lip kit bundle with a lip mask, but you can definitely buy these colors individually. This is Soaking Up the Sun. The next one is Mauve into Brazil. All of these colors are beautiful shades. I'm so glad I picked them up in a lip kit. I seriously have been wearing these every day since I got them, especially since my lips have been so dry. And this last really vibrant shade is Acai Berry. Don't forget to check the links in my description bar for all my socials and any of the products I can find for you guys. So here is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye guys!